Welcome back to another week at Limitless, and right now we have just been to look at another piece of property this afternoon, and we had one this morning, so we're just waiting to hear details back. So what do you think? Quite good, wasn't it?
Yeah, quite good. Can't say no, it wasn't bad.
No, the neighbours?
No.
So that's a good start. So we'll soon see in the next few weeks coming which one we buy. You should more the option, not whether we buy.
It's
which one we buy out of the ones we've been looking at. Morning all, how are we doing? It is Sunday and we are off to the boxing club, just walk the dogs. Had a little bit more of a lay-in because the husky kept me up all night. Sunday session is normally more of a strength conditioning slash hit, you could say, but I'm sure it'll be a little bit different today because Tommy Boy had to go at the boxers for not turning up.
Shalom, warming up, sand late as usual. Contract this, we're going again.
Gonna do here, surprise the body.
So Coach Tom's taking a little bit of sparring. He's just bringing the boys into the centre of the ring there just to explain what was going on if there was a problem, and we're on bad work for movement. Car in the phone. You're a portrait or not?
Vicky stuff, there you go, good boy.
Ooh. So boxing session done, as you can see, got a nice black eye. I think it was from Rufus at the end. I don't know if it was the heads we clashed or he got me a good shot. Right, so as usual, we're waiting for Sam again. He's still getting changed, ready to go for the gym. So update today, we are in the truck because Evo's still broken, Jag's broken, 350 needs work, and that's at Tom's. So all cars are broken. Even my pricing Audi for the other business is broken. We're now going to the gym. We've been to work all day. We've been doing hedge reductions and field maintenance. That is obviously, this is our fourth and final week, so we've got the whole of October to do, and then we are done. 1st of November is Bindon Agriculture is shut down. We're no longer doing that. The only thing we will be doing is our seasoned firewood for this winter season, because that's already in the sheds ready to go, and from that company is now done, just because we now feel that the trading and Limitless as a company is better fitted for us for lifestyle, and that's what we're going to go for. So we had there was 10 men on site, 3 teams. Completely got rid of that now, and we're now sticking on to Limitless. So that's the idea of the weeklies, and as hopefully as we can go, give it another 4 weeks, we will then be then full time into Limitless on its own, bar the firewood, and then that means we can put a lot more content out, have a lot more time for better content, trading, education, all that sort of stuff. So we're now sticking it with the gym still. It's a little bit not so nice, obviously a lot of you probably do it as well, going to work, especially a manual labour job, and then going to the gym or to the boxing club, but you've got to suck it up for a minute. Me and Sam are going to try something different from the first week of November, because normally we do 5 AM club for the gym. What we're going to try and do is 5 AM club, but do it for trading and work. So like Alex Hormozy does, is we have a block, say from 5 AM till like 10 AM, to then just work, no distractions, and then the girls can come in, or whoever else we've got in the team. We can then start bouncing ideas, and then at like 11-12ish we're then going to try and go like a mid-gym session throughout the day to break the day up, and then also then the afternoons are free to do whatever we want to do, if that's doing stuff with cars, back to work, whatever we want to do. Just give us a little bit more free time. So the morning's going to be where we focus and put our graft in, and then gym, and then that's complete for us to then do whatever else we want to do with our day. So he is now just arriving. But yeah, we are in the work truck at the minute. This is being sold along with another work truck, 2 chippers, a couple other pieces of machinery that are all going. Everything's being sold, and then we can put the money in the pot for Limitless to grow. So let's go and get the gains. We are on Monday leg session. We always do legs on a Monday because a lot of people don't like doing it. So that's what we're after. Sam's eating. We find out what he's eating. Ahoy!
What are you eating?
Oh, this is a pizza wrap. So you get a wrap, a little bit of tomato puree, a little bit of low-fat cheese, and I've got some bacon on it this time. And it's just the calories are beautiful. And it does taste quite good once you get used to it. So 7 minutes for the small ones, 8 minutes for the bigger ones. Air fryer salt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had the chicken steaks and a wrap, that's what I had. Right, let's get to the gym. Let's get some legs trained. Warm? Yeah, warm. So yeah, that's where we're at. So, just finished our leg session, finished up with RDLs after squats.
What's he doing?
But the drain pipe on this goes into the boot for some stupid reason, which is this. And obviously this was tucked up around the back here, so I don't know if me or Tom put it around the back. And then we had a goldfish pond going in the boot. So it just shows you that my repair job was good, because we had 3 inches of water in there.
But you've had to get the water out.
But well, I tried it the other day and thought I must have just had a little bit of something going on, and then I thought actually it can't leak in there, so it's down there. So I've just taken that out and been trying to drill a hole in the bottom there, and I'm going to silicone that, wash, and then that goes back in the corner.
So you're fixing the bodge. Someone's bodged it, you're fixing it.
Well, I don't know where that goes.
It is, it's about 7 o'clock if I'm correct. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, it is 5:02 roughly, 5 to 7, and we are around it again because we've still got some editing to do, which I need to catch up on. So we didn't go training as we kind of finished late. It is 9 o'clock on Thursday, and we're just about to call it a night. Just got me meal prep round and in the freezer because we run out of space around there, and everything's downloaded. So we can go again in the morning. So we can go and have a cup of tea with Jasmine now she's back from agility. And call it a night. It's a Friday morning and we are in the office. Everyone's in today. Got the boys out in the yard doing a few little bits on some of the vehicles, getting ready to go. And let's go see what the rest of them are up to.
Hiding from the girls?
I'm always hiding from everyone, I am.
What are you doing?
Just updating everyone in the chat, or our students, because I had a trade we placed on Tuesday. Is it Tuesday or Wednesday? Either or.
Yeah.
That would have been Wednesday morning, and that hit stop loss, but it still is a valid setup, which I'm looking to enter again because price just dipped through the trend line here just to take us out and then it's come back up. So if we get a new high and a pull back, I'll be getting back in that for exactly the same trade going on there. So that's what we're after.
Twitter done. Twitter D. We do. Whatever we do.
I'm not doing anything.
You must be doing something.
Away. That's what I'm going to do actually.
Yeah.
Where's security at?
I think it's post time, isn't it?
Yeah,
I think it's
oh, that's
scheduling
what you doing, my boy?
and sheets at the minute.
Look, security. Here he is.
Hello,
Yeah.
security dog.
Ahoy.
Yes, good boy. Come on now. Come on.
Funny moves in today. Everyone's in. What are we getting ready for? Content?
No, we're going for a walk.
Andy. We're walking in the light.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been outside in a few days.
Put a leaf round it.
See, special.
So, done the BA meeting, which was fine, or sheets, which is hopefully maybe the last. No, we've got another 2, I think, to go. But yeah, content. Last week was that. Everyone realised got big. That was the aim. We didn't quite get there because of said ooh and ah. Within reason, not all them, but obviously that's why he's only put 3 bits up and he's only put 0 up. So we'll see how we get on with getting them in shape and get them to get that done. Sam and arse.
Sam is an arse.
Is it your arse face? Is that the face you're gonna have?
You're an arse face. We're just messing about with some lighting and stuff. How's Marnie? And the t-shirt looks shit.
Having fun?
Yes.
Check the doctor's back. Where have you been?
I've been for a deep tissue sports massage
Nice.
for my back. I go every 2 weeks.
And what time did you go?
I left at, well, it was meant to be, it was 11:30.
On what? Friday?
Yes.
Cardiff in your dream life, and yeah.
The screen. And then you're going to bring it back towards
Ready,
you.
Sam?
Yeah.
And then look happy about it.
Then I'm gonna, am I going to show Sam it,
like
yeah?
Fan, like,
No, Sam's
like
gonna-
So last cup of tea Friday, as we are getting to 5 o'clock. We've been editing content because we was filming this afternoon. We are shooting to the gym after this, straight from work, just because we'd like to get that done and over. But we are having a non-filming day, so we're just going to get there and smash a good session out. So thank you very much for watching this week of Limitless. Next week we do have the Jag, and we're trying to get that back on the road. And we're waiting for Dylan to hold up with the Shopify store, so we're pushing on that as well. So they're the main two things to get sorted for next week. But let's see how we get on, and we'll see you next time.